Hi guys, Voinski, and we're talking about an easy way to make bulletproof coffee. And I'm going to show you what I normally would do to make my regular bulletproof coffee, and then I'm going to show you why this other way is so easy. And if you don't know what bulletproof coffee is, I'm going to give you just kind of like a super short, simple idea. Basically, it's a coffee that you have in the morning that you fill up with lots of healthy fats, and it helps you start off your day with your fat intake up. Usually it has really great healthy fats in it, so you are getting your body to start building some ketones in your system. You are fueling your brain, fueling your body with it, and it's amazing. I love bulletproof coffee. So normally when I make a bulletproof coffee, I have to take out my blender. I made the coffee already. I put in however much coffee I want. I put in some coconut oil, about a tablespoon of that. I have to put in a tablespoon of butter. I put in salt and cinnamon for taste, and then I have to blend it all up, which is a huge pain in the butt when I'm trying to run out the door or when I don't want to wake up the rest of my family and all of these things. So it's also really, really high in calories. It's like 200 something calories. So I found this other stuff that I use to make a bulletproof coffee, and basically it just comes in a packet, which is so awesome. So I'm going to be using Keto Kreme to make a bulletproof coffee, and Keto Kreme is basically this stuff in powder form, but it has awesome stuff that also goes with it. So I'll even tell you exactly what's inside. It says coconut shortening powder, MCT powder, collagen types. So it's great for your hair, skin, and nails. It's great for your body. When you eat keto, sometimes people have issues with like their hair kind of falling out or thinning. This helps that. It has cinnamon in it, sea salt, some stevia for a little bit of sweetness, and AC11, which AC11, if you don't know, is that DNA repair stuff. So it kind of like helps repair those cells that are in your body. So this is really great. So what I'm going to do is show you exactly how I do it, because I know a lot of people have kind of seen it. They're not really sure. If you don't do it right, it can kind of actually get a little weird and chunky. And I want to show you the easiest way, not even having to use a blender. So I've made my coffee, and I have one of my shaker bottles, and I have the those blender bottles that have a little ball in them, right? So I'm gonna fill it up to about like 10 maybe. Let me see here. And I have a big mug that I pour this into. I don't drink it out of the shaker bottle. I re-pour it into a mug. You could pour it into a travel mug, whatever works for you in your situation. It really makes it so simple. So all I did was pour it in. And now normally when you have a coffee, what do? You add your sugar and your cream and things like that. Instead, I'm just gonna dump this whole thing in. So I don't add anything else. I don't add in any heavy cream. I don't add in any extra sweetener, nothing like that. I just pop it all in and it goes in there, right? So now I will say, when you put the top on, remember that it's hot. So what happens when you trap heat? It wants to escape, right? So I put the top on, and I don't have it closed yet, because as you can see, there's still like some steam coming out. And then we're gonna shake it all up once it's closed. And when we pop the top, we just wanna be careful that it doesn't spritz everywhere, right? So we're just gonna shake it. Pop the top. Did you hear that? And now we're going to pour it in. Okay. Let's see if you can see that a little bit here. It looks like a latte. It's frothy, it's creamy, it is the best bulletproof coffee. I'm getting all of the same things in here as I would in my bulletproof coffee. So this is just a way to make a super quick, easy bulletproof coffee. You don't have to take out the blender. You don't need to get all the ingredients out. You don't need to be cutting butter, scooping coconut oil, all those things. It's so simple to do. You just open a packet and shake it up, and it's so good. It sets you right off on your day. I do this in the morning. I don't do breakfast, so I only do 2 meals a day. I do lunch and I do dinner. So this basically is my breakfast, and I have everything in it that I need to help my body actually start naturally creating more ketones, getting into ketosis, making sure that I wake up and I start my day fueling my brain, fueling my body, doing all of those awesome things and feeling great. So if you've liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you're interested in how you can find out more about Keto Kreme and all of those things, there is a link below in the video description. You can subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and then make sure that you get plugged in, hit that bell so you find out about all new content coming out. There's some great things coming out soon, and I'm so excited to be doing this with you guys. Thanks so much for watching.